Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dev for Dynamic. Today we are going to solve another problem from LeetCode. Problem name is count vowel string in range. Basically here he is giving zero index array of string word and a 2D array of integer query. So basically we have query of 2D array. Here you can see that we have 2D array of query. Each query asks you to find the number of strings present in the range Li to Ri. Here we have to find Li to Ri, both inclusive. We have to include both of word and the start and end word that start and end with vowel. So basically, the word which is going to which will start from vowels and end from vowels. Yeah, he is giving some example like vowels. We already know that. So we have to return a array of result. So I copied same example from here. So basically, mm, we have here. mm, basi- Sorry. Basically, we have here words and query. So for each query, like it start from 0 to 0 index to 2. So it is 0, 1 and 2. So let me write same example here. A, B, A, first one. B, C, B, second. E, C, E, A, E. So that's it. Yeah. Now here we have query. Now we have query like 0 to 2. So we have index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 to 2, we have three words. So we have to count those words only which start from vowels and end from vowels. So this one start from vowels and end from vowels. So we have one, so it is true. And second one, it is not start from vowels, so we don't have, so it is zero. And this one also start from vowels and from vowels. See, so it is one. So our result for this query is two. Now for this query 1 to 4. So basically we have 1 to 4. For these, let me calculate. We already know that it is not and valid. It is valid, and this is also valid because it start from vowels and end from vowels. So it one and it start from vowels and end from vowels same. So it one. So from this we have three. One, one, one. So we have three and one from one. So it start from here to end. So we don't have any. So it is zero. So you can see that we just have to calculate one time here. We need a array which will calculate this eh, because every time it will same. So for each query we don't need to calculate. Now if you see like suppose that I am going to store some of these array, these value. So in this we have 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Basically, in this index, we have sum of all value from here to here. For this index, we have sum of these value. So suppose we have to find for second case 1 to 4. So 1 to 4, so we have to find this sum. So we know that we have sum to this and we have sum to this. So if we will minus sum for this like for in this one index and to this index previous one. So we will get our result. So which is currently 3. Suppose we have to find from this 2 to 4. So for this we have to minus 2, 4. Here we have and we just have to come with the one index back. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So our result is 3. And if we see from here 3 to 4, so we have to minus this index. So 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we can say that. So basically we can say that a array result will be our result will be array of 2 which index and array of sorry let me write in again. So output of index will be like here we have array of last index and minus array of this index first index 0 minus 1. Suppose for this case we go into negative, so we have to add here if value like index is I is equal to 0, I greater than or equal to 0, then we have to calculate by this and otherwise it is 0 because we have to start from here suppose. So this is the sum exactly basically. So we don't have to minus anything, so it will return 0. So that's it, simple. So let me jump into the code. So here we need a array, int array, integer and word total in GTH length. Here for 0 index array, we can see that what dot length array will be. We have at least one, so we can use here array of 0 to is valid string. This function will take array of I. If it is valid, then we have to return 0, 1. We have to throw, otherwise we have to throw 0. Now we can see here we have to create public boolean. It will take is valid string, which will take a string here, or we can say word. So when it will valid only when first and last index is vowel. So return, and we can see that word dot length is minimum 1. So we don't have to cover the 0 index case, boundary case. So here word is vowel. another method which will check if it is vowel or not. So word dot care at zero index and same we can copy from here. We have to here last index word dot length minus 1. So again we have to create a public boolean is vowel method which will take character C. So basically here we have to return if C equal to A or C equal to B. Something A B sorry A E I O U. So this method will check it is vowel or not. Now here we already stored zero index because here I'm going to sum with previous one. So zero index don't have previous index, so it will keep something out of boundary exceptions for minus one case. So here I'm going to start from here I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus. So basically we have to store array of I. So array of I minus 1, previous one, and current. For current, we have this. So I'm adding a bracket for I'm not going to check a expression like it will solve from right to left. Simply I am adding that. Now we have to return our result integer. So we have result and new int. I'm passing qn query length. So integer qn equal to query dot length. We have added. Now here we need to iterate every query and we have to find our result. So for that integer query is integer we are going to take same value left and right. So integer L is equal to query of the left 0 and integer R is equal to right query of 1. Here I need another variable integer I equal to 0 which will basically iterate help me to store result value. So our result value result of I plus plus I am incrementing here, and we can also take it like here integer I is equal to this and I less than equal to keeping, but I'm keeping simple. So now we have to find, so I'm going to use some formula, this one array of right index, array of right minus, so if left is greater than, I'm going to use a bracket, left is greater than 0, that time we have to simple return array of left, else we have to return 0. So it will store this one result, and now we simply have to here result return. So I think we are good to go. How many error we have? Three error. One is so it is zero index basically, and word dot caret and word dot caret. So basically we have to remove t from here. Again for 21 line number, again we have same. Yeah, our result is not giving as expected. I will check. So it is run fine. For same value, it is not giving as I am expecting. Basically, here I think we have to take -1 index from array of query. So we have to go -1 big here. I think I have written -1. Yeah, that's it. We have to do previous one index because this one is included in result. So I think we are good to go now. Yeah, it take only 4 milliseconds. So we can say that our solution is good and we beat something 98%. So thank you guys to watching my channel. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment. And if you like to discuss any coding problem, I'm happy to discuss.